What's going on? This is where the magic happens. Welcome to Wonderful Digital. Over here, I wanted to do a quick video for you all. Sometimes when I'm in front of a computer and I'm, clicking and mousing and whatever else, my brain does not work super great. What works really well for people like me, maybe people like you, highly encourage this. Get yourself some whiteboards. These things you can get at Home Depot, they're like, $15 each. I've got floor to ceiling in case you've got kids, they can draw pictures down there. But we're gonna run through all of the things that are happening in a wonderful way. So let's do a quick couple moments and I will run through this. The hope here, again, the whiteboard is not the end goal. Yes, it looks kind of fun, it looks kind of crazy. I don't know if you can read anything in here, but all this stuff, when it's in your brain, you gotta get it out of your brain and onto a whiteboard. UX designers, product managers, developers, architects, web designers, people with lots of kids and lots of projects. Maybe you had a basement flood, mine flooded, and you've got like all these different things. Sometimes we'll throw up a bunch of sticky notes. This was just a nice, quiet, late at night brain dump. So I'm gonna run through this real quick and we will try and then digitize this. You can use a software like ClickUp, pretty good one, Trello, Monday. We are going to be using Notion. We've got actually a custom built template that we use for all things inside of Notion. So I will run through this. Maybe we'll do a recording. Maybe we'll just get the stories created and put on a digital board. So if here's the high level. Yes, it is up here. High level. Dad jokes. Oh gosh, they're terrible. Okay, high level. These are the things that you could do to make money with something like a YouTube channel. So you can sell courses, you can sell high ticket courses, low ticket courses. We're gonna put these on the parking lot backlog of ideas. Not the backlog of things to do, but a backlog of ideas. So high ticket, low ticket courses, memberships. So things like a website that people can log into, memberships on YouTube, or I'm not even on Facebook really. But yes, I will pay to get premium content or whatever that membership thing looks like. Affiliates. So you can be an affiliate for products, for software, for courses, high ticket, low ticket. We will get into affiliates, affiliations here into the future. Next one is partnerships. So I don't know if that's like the best word. Let's say sponsorships. So partnerships would be like, let's say I've got a gardening channel and I want to partner with Epic Gardening and whatever else. We don't need to get into that. Partnerships, I forget the one, sponsorships, right? So let's say you are an expert in Notion or some kind of software and you create all the tutorials and then you partner with them and they pay you to do more things kind of with them. You're not really employed by them. You're not really sponsored by them. I don't know. There's some interesting things there. YouTube ads, of course, that's what most people think of. I got 1 million views on YouTube and I just made $17. Services. So rank and rent is actually something we're going to be leaning into. So rank and rent will again go on that backlog of things that is actually going to surface close to the top. We'll prioritize that and we'll start into some rank and rent videos for you guys as well. Digital real estate, basically the idea is a developer builds a house, they've got the land, they build it, they get all the people, all the things plugged in, and then you had a plot of land that you bought for $50,000, if you're in Colorado, $200,000, and you develop it, you build a house, and then you sell the house for $1 million because you put all of the blood, sweat, and tears into building that. Digital assets, digital real estate, same kind of idea. I've got a domain. It's like a parking lot, an address, parking address. Anyways, you got your domain and nothing is there. You build something that's super valuable. You build a community around that. Then that asset is valuable into the future. That is just the high level bucket. Now, if you're interested in any of those, we're going to run through all the rest of this board at another time. We've got all of our domains here. We've got ideas for pro bono work we can do that we want to do. We'll talk about SEO, marketing, YouTube, Google My Business, all things digital, wonderful digital. things to do. I've got some client work that we need to get done, as well as domain, Google Business, website, like all the, there's all kinds of fun stuff. But let's not make this video too long. We will chat again soon. See you later. Stay wonderful.